going to fold a fitted sheet because Miss Janie asked for a video. I prove to you all that I'm not a witch, that you can do it too. So, I have a twin sheet just because it's easier to do, but I use the same method no matter what the size is. So, I find the corners inside of the gathers. And I do the same on both ends. Get the corners out. And I just kind of flip it where the gathering's in. And on a twin sheet, I would take the longest sides and put them together. And have it where all the gathering is kind of on the inside there. Shake out the wrinkles and stuff there. And I get the corners out the best that I can. But since it's a fitted, it's not going to square off perfectly. So I just kind of do it the best that I can. And I'm going to fold it over more than halfway. The cameraman's sleepy. I flip it over, do the same.
I need something to sit on.
Just a minute, baby. And then I flip it this way, and then this way. Voila. Fitted sheet folded.